Hey there, in this video what I thought I'd do is show you ReviewPops demo using an iPhone. And as you can see here, I'm on the demo page that we have set up for ReviewPops, and you can see at the very bottom, every 5 seconds a new ReviewPop is popping up. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and show you just how powerful this is on a mobile device where 75% or more of your potential new clients are going to use their mobile device in order to research your firm and also assess your online reputation. What better way to do that when they come to your site than serve up to them all of your new and recent 5-star Google reviews, which you can see we can scroll through each one and read those if I'd like. And then most importantly, I want to show you the click to call feature. So I click on it once and you can see immediately the phone number pops up for this law firm. Now, if I clicked it again, it would be dialing. So I'm not going to do that because I don't want to disturb them. But you can see just how easy that is in order to get a new lead by using ReviewPops. So that's all I want to show you in this video. Hope you got great value out of it. Just show you another way that ReviewPops can generate new leads for you to consult with and convert to new clients. Thanks for watching this video, and take care, and hope to hear from you soon, and welcome the opportunity to work with your law firm to generate more leads and new clients. Bye now.